Thousands are laid to rest here at Fern Knoll Cemetery in Luzerne County's Back Mountain. But after the entrance bridge over Toby Creek collapsed last week, the beloved cemetery in Dallas Township is no longer accessible by car. Stacy Miller, who laid her husband to rest here less than 2 years ago, says she's heartbroken.
I think people don't put a face to the stones, to the situations. But there's a lot of families up here, and they're all hurting over this. They really are.
Miller would often drive to get to her husband's resting place, but now, with how far the walk is, and with her bad knee, it's almost impossible for Miller to get to his gravesite on foot.
Whenever I come up here, I'm never alone. There are people visiting other graves. There are newly dug graves frequently. And then there's also the people who come and they walk their dogs, or they walk, and I believe Mr. Cordy uses it as their track running. It's used a lot by a lot of people.
Misericordia University's campus meets the border of Fern Knoll Cemetery. While the university allows staff to enter the cemetery through its grounds, Miller says families will not be allowed to enter or stay for a loved one's burial. With the Easter holiday approaching, Miller says many families are concerned they will not be able to visit and leave flowers at their loved ones' grave sites.
I worry for people because people are going to try. They're going to get in unless they somehow. There's no way they'll climb over that. They'll go through the stream. People are going to get to it, which scares you too, because I don't want someone to fall and something like that.
Cemetery caretaker Paul Kaminsky tells us he's meeting with officials from the Department of Environmental Protection on Friday morning in the hopes of getting an emergency permit to remove the debris out of Toby Creek. He says he's worried about the price tag of repairs. Kaminsky set up a GoFundMe to help cover repair costs. For more information on how you can donate to the Fern Knoll Cemetery Bridge project, head to WNEP.com. Valeria Quinones, Newswatch 16, Luzerne County.